Hi, I'm Ronnie, and welcome to the series where I give you super user tips for how to get the most out of your Plan to Eat account. These videos are for Plan to Eat customers who are past the Plan to Eat basics. So you're already adding recipes to your account, creating meal plans and shopping lists, and you want to learn how you can get more out of Plan to Eat and use all of the features to the best of their ability. So today I'm going to show you how you can add recipes into your account by scanning them in from a physical cookbook or even just from a photo you have on your phone. So here in the Plan to Eat app, I'm going to be here in the Cook tab, and I'm going to simply use the Add Recipe button. And I'm going to use the third option here, which is Take a Photo. Now I have the option here to take a photo, or I can select from my photos already on my phone, but I'm going to take a photo of a recipe book that I have right here in front of me. So it's going to open up my camera, and I am just going to simply zoom in on the recipe here, make sure I get all of the recipe info, and then I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to use that photo, and it's going to import for me here. And here we are. We've got the polenta pie recipe, and it has all of the information here. I can come in and add a course, save that, and then once I make this recipe, I'll be able to take a photo and add it here. And there we go. It is super easy now to add recipes to your Plan to Eat account from taking a photo, or once again, you can just use a picture that's already in your Photos app on your phone and import recipe that way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video soon.